Socializing 45. A narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6853, advises that the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, never took revenge for himself but instead pardoned and overlooked. Muslims have been given permission to defend themselves in a proportionate and reasonable way when they are left with no other options. But they should never step over the line, as this is a sin. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 190.
Fight in the way of Allah those who fight against you but do not transgress. Indeed, Allah does not like transgressors.
As stepping over the mark is difficult to avoid, a Muslim should therefore adhere to patience, overlook and forgive others, as it is not only the tradition of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, but also leads to Allah, the Exalted, forgiving their sins. Chapter 24 An-Nur, verse 22.
And let them pardon and overlook. Would you not like that Allah should forgive you?
Forgiving others is also more effective in changing the character of others in a positive way, which is the purpose of Islam and a duty on Muslims, as taking revenge only leads to further enmity and anger between the people involved. Those who have the bad habit of not forgiving others and always hold on to grudges, even over minor issues, may well find that Allah, the Exalted, does not overlook their faults and instead scrutinizes each of their small sins. A Muslim should learn to let things go, as this leads to forgiveness in both worlds. In addition, peace of mind is removed when one adopts the habit of holding on to every little issue that annoyed them. Therefore, learning to overlook and pardon others aids one in letting go of petty issues, which in turn helps them to achieve peace of mind. Finally, the main narration does not mean one should not defend themselves when others cross the line, as Islam teaches humility without weakness. In addition, even when one pardons others, it does not mean they should blindly trust them or continue socializing with them as usual. This only increases the chances of them being wronged again. One should forgive others for the sake of Allah, the Exalted. They must fulfill the rights of others according to the teachings of Islam, and tread cautiously when dealing with the people who have wronged them in the past. This will ensure history does not repeat itself and they gain blessings and reward in both worlds.